Hey everybody, it's Neon. I got this. This is a Wi-Fi extender, the AX3000 dual band 3000 Mbps. That's like a 3 gigabit network. I have it plugged in right over here. You can kind of see, let me aim you guys down here. It looks kind of like a little thing here with all the little antennas coming out right there. So that is it. It's plugged in, and it's just by plugging it in, it sets itself up a little network called Wi-Fi extender 22, or mine is called underscore 22BE. I guess it's called Wi-Fi extender or something. I connected it up on this phone here, and you see now I'm given the options of how to set it up. So I can set it up in Wi-Fi extender mode or access point mode. If I set it up in access point mode, what I would do is I would hook it up to my router with a wire, like it has there, and then it will broadcast out my Wi-Fi signal. So you could do that if you wanted a second Wi-Fi or something in your house that connected up directly to that, or some sort of secure network or whatever. But I'm gonna go with Wi-Fi extender mode because I just have it plugged into a outlet. So it's gonna suck in my existing internet and spit out another internet. So basically to do that. So now it's looking for my existing networks. Well, I'm gonna let it do its thing here, but I'll show you guys what it does. It finds the existing networks, it will connect it, and then I can say what I want for my new network, if I wanna extend the existing name or give it a new name, whatever I wanna do. And then it will be a whole nother network running on my network. So it's pretty straightforward. It came up now with a list of all the different ones here. So I'm just gonna connect it to my Wi-Fi one. Sorry, I can't show you. So when you're setting it up, I set it up with my existing network, and then I can choose to change the name of the Wi-Fi extender. That's what it would be. So if I don't, it'll just send out the same network that I'm having there. So it'll just be sending out, keeping the same name. So I can go and stick this one like right outside, and it'll send it out to the pool area, in the front, whatever, send it out by my mailbox if I wanted to have something out there. So basically it gives me just extended Wi-Fi. So now I have the connection, it's configuring all the network. I don't know what much more there is to show, because once it's connected, it'll just be a network. But that is it. So how cool is that? So if you need to extend your network wirelessly, this will just suck it in and send it out. Pretty cool little setup. I like these things. I use them. It's nice if you go to like a hotel or something and you have pretty mediocre Wi-Fi. It'll kind of suck it in. It's got a big antenna compared to like a phone. So you can do that. Actually, when I had my apartment, they had some Wi-Fi in the lobby. But then I wanted to get into the garage area, and so I was able to actually stick one of those in the lobby, and it got down to the garage. So kind of cool. So very awesome. If you need a Wi-Fi extender, this one here does Wi-Fi 6, so it's that fast speed. Totally nice. Thumbs up.